Hello. Let's see, Monday, February 6th. So this is a horse swing from the jungle gym, and it broke during the summer. The kids and Grandma like to ride on this. So this here, the bolt actually snapped. So I got the bolt out and chiseled this out a bit. Drilled a new hole, put in a bigger 3/8 lag bolt, and now we're going to go put it back on the swing set. Here we go, we got it up. Yep, the grandkids and like to ride on that, so we got it all fixed up. Alright, so we got the sawhorse up. Second project, we said in a previous episode or so about maybe putting some sawmill scraps out to the street. $5 a bundle or something, I don't know. And then maybe pay by Venmo. I don't know how to collect money for that. And we got a bunch of wood we can split up. We got some split wood there. Maybe we can put some camp firewood out. You know, it's not necessarily the best for an inside fireplace, but for camp firewood, it seems like people buy them all over the place. $5 a bundle, so maybe a couple dollars for some gas for my tractor. So take a look at this. I made this for a different purpose, this structure here. So what we did is we put, this was like for brush, so like for, you know, 1-2 inch thick brush, really long, that we cut, we'd lay them in here. This was the thought. I had like a guillotine board that went down between these two, and then we bungeed it down. We bungeed over the top of this one, this one, this one, and the thought was to take my chainsaw, zoop, down the middle of each of these and cut, you know, probably like, I don't know, 12-14 inch long pieces that I would then use as fill in the muddy sections of the trail. Well, you know, it's always good to let yourself fail. So that did not work. I wound up ruining the chain because it gets caught on the branches, and yeah, it worked for a bit, but it wasn't going to be a long-term solution. So now we're going to repurpose it for cutting sawmill scraps, the longer pieces. We put it in here, and the plan is, let's grab a saw, and you're going to be the first to know if it works or not. So we're going to cut here. You can see over here we marked, I think that's 18 inches, and then there's an 18-inch mark here. So we're going to take the saw and cut here, and then we're going to cut here, and then we're going to clean off here. You see there's another 18-inch mark there. So it's between 16 and 18 is what the website said for length of firewood. We're going to put it on this cart here to store, and I don't know what happens next. We'll find out. Okay, you're going to be the first to know. Well, probably the second, or we'll know at the same time. first pass went pretty good. I got a little bit of wood. Let's do like one more and maybe we'll haul it out to the road, see if anyone wants it. Try number 2. Alright, this looks like the camera was doing some processing data thing. So that was our second pass. It seemed to go pretty good. We got some wood. I think we're going to find an old wheelbarrow, put that out front, put the wood in the wheelbarrow, and make a sign, I guess. Okay. On the website, it also said that firewood's 25% moisture or less. So let's have a look and see what we got right in here. 21, 20, 27. That's pretty moist, but that is a less than optimal piece. How about over here? 20. Yeah, so 19, 22. So even though this stuff's been just like sitting out on the pile, 18. Yeah, I guess it was dead wood when we cut it down and we sawed it, and it's been sitting there. It's cold out, so lower moisture in the cold temperatures, but definitely I guess most of it's under 25%. For wood moisture. Here we are, front yard. Lots of traffic goes by on this road. So this wheelbarrow is actually my first wheelbarrow from 30 plus years ago. And the drain tile project year, 2019, summer of 2019. Yeah, the wheel blew. It's carrying a load of stone. This thing collapsed in, so I did fix the tire, but it didn't last long, and this part's still all bent up and doesn't hold much, so I got a new wheelbarrow. So this one just gets repurposed for whatever's at hand, so it likes to hang around, just be a what if project. So I have a bunch of 16, 18 inch long scrap sawmill pieces. I got a bucket. I'm thinking of making a sign that says sawmill scraps $2 a bucket, and put a Venmo account. I don't know how else you're gonna collect cash. You gotta have a box, all that stuff. Maybe I'll do a Venmo. Like the only people who buy wood like this, I think, are like young people. Like older people just go out and cut a tree down and split it with an axe and use it. I don't know who buys firewood, $5 a bundle, when there's all kinds of trees all over the place that are dead. So anyways, that's my thought. I wasn't looking forward to this. This was guided to do, so we're gonna let it sit there overnight, percolate, and I'll work on a sign for tomorrow.